Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Road Sign Mastery. Today, we're going to dive into the world of dip road signs in the USA. We'll explore what they mean, where you might encounter them, and how you should react when you see one. So buckle up, and let's hit the road. First things first, what is a dip road sign? In a nutshell, a dip road sign is a warning sign that alerts drivers to an upcoming dip or sudden depression in the road. These signs typically feature a yellow diamond-shaped background with a black symbol depicting a car on a wavy road. The word dip is also written in black capital letters below the symbol. Why are DP road signs important? You might be wondering why dip road signs are important. Well, they play a crucial role in keeping drivers safe by giving them a heads up about potential hazards. Dips in the road can cause vehicles to bottom out, or even lose control, especially if drivers are going too fast. By warning motorists of an upcoming dip, these signs allow them to slow down and prepare for the change in elevation, reducing the risk of accidents. Where can you find DP road signs? Dip road signs are most commonly found on rural or suburban roads, where sudden changes in elevation are more likely to occur. They're typically placed before the dip, giving drivers ample time to react. In some cases, the sign may be accompanied by an advisory speed limit to indicate the safest speed at which to navigate the dip. How to react to a DP road sign? Now that we know what a dip road sign is and where you might encounter one, let's discuss how you should react when you see one. Here are 3 simple steps to follow. 1. Slow down, ease off the accelerator and reduce your speed as you approach the dip. 2. Maintain control. Keep both hands on the wheel and be prepared to make any necessary adjustments as you navigate the dip. 3. Accelerate gently. As you exit the dip, gradually increase your speed back to the posted limit, taking care not to lose control of your vehicle. Dip signs across the United States. And finally, let's take a look at some of the most interesting and unique dip signs across the United States. From creative designs to unusual locations, these signs showcase the diversity and ingenuity of American culture. 1. The painted DP sign. Located in San Francisco, this colorful sign features a hand-painted rendition of the iconic Golden Gate Bridge. 2. The double DP sign. Found in rural Texas, this sign humorously warns drivers of 2 consecutive dips in the road. 3. The graffiti DP sign. A popular spot for urban artists in New York City, this sign has been transformed into a canvas for creative expression. And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive guide to dip road signs in the USA. Remember, these signs are there to keep you safe, so always heed their warning and adjust your driving accordingly. Thanks for joining us on this episode of Road Sign Mastery. Until next time, stay safe and happy driving.